Hi friends, I'm Shruti. Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to deal with the subject Science, Physics, Chapter 5, Sound. So first of all, what is sound and what is its properties? Sound is a form of energy which is produced by vibrating objects. It needs a medium to travel like air, liquid, solid, etc. The matter or substance through which sound is transmitted is known as medium. Now, propagation of sound. Sound travels in the medium in the form of a wave. Then what is wave? A wave is a disturbance that moves through a medium when the particles of the medium set neighboring particles into motion. Sound waves are characterized by the motion of particles in the medium and are known as mechanical waves. When a vibrating object moves forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high pressure. This is known as compression. When the vibrating object moves backwards, it creates a region of low pressure. It is known as rarefaction. As the object moves back and forth rapidly, a series of compressions and rarefactions is created in the air. Sound wave travels as a series of compression and rarefaction. Compression is the region of high pressure and rarefaction is the region of low pressure, which is characterized by the density of particles in the medium. Now, sound waves or longitudinal waves. Sound waves are also known as longitudinal waves. It is because that in sound waves, the individual particles of the medium move in direction parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. Particles do not move from one place to another, but they simply oscillate back and forth. This is why sound waves are also known as longitudinal waves. Transverse wave. In transverse wave, the individual particles of the medium move in the direction perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Light is an example, or light is a transverse wave. Wavelength. Before that, what is a crest and what is a trough? A peak is known as the crest and the valley is called as the trough of a wave. So, the distance between two corresponding crest or two corresponding trough is known as wavelength. It is represented by lambda and the SI unit of wavelength is meter. Now, we can describe a sound wave by its frequency, amplitude and quality. So then, what is frequency? The number of oscillation per unit time is known as frequency. It is represented by V. Its SI unit is Hertz. Frequency is interpreted by our brain as pitch. Time period. The time taken by two consecutive compressions or rarefactions to cross a fixed point is known as the time period of the wave. The SI unit is seconds. Time period and frequency is related as follows. V is equal to 1 by T. Amplitude. The magnitude of maximum displacement of each particle from its mean position is known as amplitude. It is denoted by letter A. SI unit of amplitude is meter. The loudness or softness of a sound is determined by its amplitude.